Today we discuss on a topic profit and loss. Now we see the examples on profit and loss. If 80% of total goods are sold at a profit of 20% and the remaining goods are sold at a loss of 30%, then what will be the total profit percent? 80% of total goods are sold at 20% profit. Now here total goods are 100. Out of 100 goods, 80% means 80 goods are sold at a profit of 20%. Profit means we write the plus sign, and remaining means out of 100 here 80% are sold at 20% profit. Remaining means 20 goods are sold at a loss of 30%. We get the multiplication of these two numbers. 80 into 20 is 1600. Here 20 into 30 is 600 minus 600. Now we get the subtraction of these two numbers. Here plus sign, here minus sign. Then plus 1600 minus 600 is equal to 1000. Now here we find total profit percent. Total profit percent is equal to total profit percent is equal to, now here total profit is 1000 out of on 100 goods. Now here we write 1000 upon 100, that is 10. That your total profit percent is 10%. Your total profit percent is 10%. Your total profit percent is 10%. Now next, here same. If 70% of total goods are sold at a profit of 20%, and the remaining goods are sold at a loss of 10%, then what will be the total profit percent? Here 70% of total goods are sold at a 20% profit. 70% of goods sold at a 20% profit. Here total goods are 100. Now remaining goods are 30. The 30% goods are sold at a loss of 10%. We write minus sign. Loss means minus sign. We get the multiplication of these two numbers, and 30 into 10 is minus 300. We get here plus sign, minus sign. We get subtraction of these two numbers. Here 1400 minus 300 is 1100. Now here total profit percent is equal to total profit percent is equal to 1100 upon 100. 0 get cancelled. Now here plus sign means here profit is done on whole transaction. Now total profit percent is 11%. If 75% of total goods are sold at a 20% loss, remaining mobile sold at a 30% profit, then what will be the total loss percent? Here total loss percent. What will be the total loss percent? Now here 70% of total mobiles are sold at 20% loss. Then 70%. Total goods or total mobiles are 100. Out of 100, 70% means 70. 70 mobiles are sold at a loss of 20%, means we write minus sign here. Now here remaining goods means 30. Now 30 goods are sold at a 30% profit. Profit means we write plus sign. Remaining means here 75%. Sorry, 75% here. 75% is here 25%. Remaining means 25% are sold at a 30% profit. We get the multiplication of these two numbers. 75 into 20, that is minus 1500, and here multiplication of these two number is plus 750. Here minus sign, here plus sign. Now we get the subtraction is minus 750. Here minus sign indicate that there is a loss on whole transaction. Then total loss percent here, loss percent is equal to, total loss is 750 on total mobiles. Total mobile is 100. Now your loss percent is 7.5%. Here minus sign indicate that loss on whole transaction. Then loss percent, we calculate loss percent, 750 divided by 100, that is 7.5%. Your answer is 7.5%. Now next, if 75% of total mobiles sold at 20% loss, the remaining mobiles sold at 30% profit, then what will be the total loss percent? Here 75% of total mobiles are 100. Out of 100, 75% means 75 mobiles. 75 mobiles are sold at a loss of 20%. We write loss means we write minus sign here, and remaining means 25 goods. Are sold at a 30% profit. Profit means we write plus sign. Now we get the multiplication of these numbers. 75 into 20 is minus 1500, and 75 into 30 is same as it is 500. We get the addition of this is minus 750. There is a loss, and total loss percent is 750 upon 100, that is minus 7.5. Here same example, previous example is same as it is. Now next, Rajaram brought a certain price quantity of wheat. If he sell 1/4 of the wheat, at a profit of 12%, then at what percent should he sell the remaining wheat? To make overall profit of 15%. Here Rajaram brought certain price of quantity of wheat. He sell 1/4 of wheat. Here quantity 1/4 of wheat at a profit of 12%. 1/4 of wheat at a profit of 12%. Now remaining means 3/4 are sold at how many profit? 3/4 goods or 3/4 wheat are sold at how many profit? Then overall your profit is 15%. Here out of 4 kg wheat, 1 kg are sold at 12% profit. 1 kg are sold at 12% profit, and out of 4 kg, 3 kg are sold at how many profit percent? Then overall profit, overall profit is 15. Now here total kg of wheat is 3 plus 1 is 4 kg. Now here we write 12 into 1 is 12 plus 3x is equal to 15 into 4 is 16. Now we solve this equation. Here 12 plus 3x is equal to 60. Now here we write 3x is equal to 60 minus 12. Now here 3x is equal to 60 minus 12 is 48. Now x, value of x, we will find value of x. X is equal to 48 divided by 3, that is 16. Now here remaining goods means remaining goods or remaining wheats are sold at a 60% profit. Remaining wheats are sold at a 60% profit.